Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to
Morning, good
today's panel
morning.
discussion. Today, we are going to discuss an interesting and relevant topic about technology in education. Is it transforming learning for the better? Technology has become an essential part of education. Students now even artificial intelligence to support their learning. However, technology also raises important questions about learning quality, student engagement, and today we have three panelists with different perspectives. Haril will represent the academic and theoretical perspective. Aden will represent industry practitioner and stakeholders, and Nurul will represent the government and customer perspective. Let's begin with Haril.
Okay,
Okay,
thank
thank
you,
you,
Farel.
Farel.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
everyone.
everyone.
This is
This
about
is about
technology.
technology.
I believe
I
that
believe that
technology has
technology
a
has
significant
significant
improvement
improved
education
education
because it
because it
make
make
learning
learning
more
more
flexible,
flexible,
interactive, and
interactive, and
accessible.
accessible.
From an
From an
academic
academic
perspective,
perspective,
education is
education is
theories
theories
suggest that
suggest that
students
students
learn
learn
better
better
when they
when they active
practice
practice
in the
in the
learning
learning
process.
process.
Technologies
Technologies
support
support
this
this
by
by
recording
recording
video,
video,
online
online
quiz,
quiz,
simulation,
simulation,
virtual
virtual
classroom,
classroom,
and
and
interactive
interactive
learning,
learning,
interactive learning
interactive learning
application.
application.
Another
Another
important
important
benefit
benefit
in
in personalized
personalizes
personalizes
learning
learning
online
online
or use
or use
technology to
technology to
learn.
learn.
Student can
Student
study
can
at
study at
their
their
own
own
pace,
pace,
review
review
difficult
difficult
material
material
repeatedly,
repeatedly,
repeatedly, and
repeatedly, and
access
access
learning
learning
results
results
anytime and
anytime and
anywhere
anywhere
they
they
want.
want.
For
For
example,
example,
material
material
in
in
university
university
shouldn't
shouldn't use,
for
for
example,
example, material,
many
many
university
university
student many
many
universities shouldn't
university student
use
use
learning
learning
management
management
systems such
systems
as
such as
mobile
mobile
or
or
Google
Google
Classroom
Classroom
to
to
access
access
lecture
lecture
material,
material,
submit
submit
assessment,
assessment,
and
and
communication with
communication with
lecture.
lecture.
However,
However,
I
I
strongly
strongly
believe that
believe that
technology
technology
support a
support a
teacher
teacher
rather
rather
than
than
replace
replace
them.
them.
Human
Human
interaction
interaction
remains
remains
and
and
sensitive,
sensitive,
essential for
essential
developing
for
communication
developing
skill,
communication skill,
critical thinking,
thinking,
and
and
emotional
emotional
intelligence.
intelligence.
Okay. In
Okay. In
conclusion,
conclusion,
technology is a
technology is a
value
value
education
education
tool when
tool
used
when
to
used to
wisely
wisely
and
and
combined
combined
with
with
effective
effective
teaching method.
teaching method.
I think
I
it's
think is
for me.
for
Thank
me.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ariel, for that insightful explanation. You mentioned that technology should support teachers instead of replacing them. Now let's hear another perspective. Aden, what is your opinion on this issue?
Okay, thank you for the time. Thank. Good morning, everyone. From my perspective, technology is not only changing classroom but also preparing students for the future workplace. Today, companies graduates expect graduates to have strong digital skills. Employees are required to collaborate online, analyze digital information, communicate virtually, and use various technology tools. Building on Haril's point, technology in that helps students learn independently. In addition, it prepares them for a career in a digital economy. For instance, many companies now use artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and online collaboration platforms. Students who become familiar with these technologies during their studies are usually better prepared for employment. However, I also see several challenges. Many students rely too heavily on AI tools to complete assignments without fully understanding the concept. As a result, they may lose opportunities to develop creativity and problem-solving skills. Therefore, educational institutions should teach students not only how to use technology, but also how to use it responsibly and ethically. That's all for me. Thank you. I give back to moderator.
Thank you, Adam. That is an excellent point. Technology certainly provides opportunity, but it also creates new responsibility. Now let's move to another perspective. Nurul, how do policy makers and students view this issue?
Okay, thank you, Farrell. I want to add another perspective. Today, we need to look at this topic from two important sides: the policymakers who make rules and the students who experience it every day. Technology is great for education and change how we learn, but however, we have a big problem. Not everyone has the same access. Many students in rural area face massive challenge every day. For the example, they have unstable internet connection that disconnect all the time. And moreover, many families cannot afford good laptop or tablet because they are too expensive. And when your internet keeps disconnecting and you do not have the good device, online learning becomes very difficult. So what can we do for fix this? We have two main solutions. For the first, governments must take action. They need to invest more money in digital infrastructure to build better internet in village. They also need to train teachers so they can use technology well and make the internet package cheaper for everyone. For the second step, as student, we also have responsibility. We should not rely completely on technology or let it do all the work for us. We must use internet tools wisely to support our learning while keeping our independent thinking. Most importantly, we must always maintain academic honesty and avoid cheating. And in conclusion, I think technology alone cannot fix education. Successful educational technology needs strong teamwork from the government, school, teacher, parent, and student. We must work together as a team. If we cooperate, we can make education better and fair for everyone. I think that's all from me.
Thank you very much. We've now heard three valuable perspectives. Next, I'd like to invite our panelists to respond to one another. Haril, would you like to respond to Adam's concern about students becoming too dependent on AI?
Certainly.
I completely agree
that
that
overdeveloped
overdeveloped
offer
dividends
on
on
AI
AI can become a problem.
However,
However, I believe this
issue
issue is not the
technology
technology itself, but
how
how
education
education guides
guides
student in
using it.
using it.
Teaching
Teaching
teacher
teacher should design activities and encourage analysis, discussion, and reflection instead of simple copy and pass assessment.
Okay, I think we don't have any time. I will close this discussion. Thank you, everyone. Today's discussion has shown that technology offers many advantages in education, including flexible learning, improve, improved access to information, and better preparation for future careers. At the same time, our panelists reminded us that technology should be used responsibly. Students still need critical thinking skills, teachers need continuous training, and government must ensure equal access for all learners. Overall, technology should not replace education, it should enhance it. Thank you to all of our finalists for sharing your valuable insight, and thank you to our audience for your attention. Have a wonderful time. Goodbye. Thank you. Assalamualaikum
Thank you.
warahmatullahi
Thank you so
wabarakatuh.
much.
Thank you so much.